You need to hear this if you're a DIY enthusiast. Oak lumber is your new best friend. Oak ain't just any old wood, folks. It's tough as nails and durable as a rock. Fun fact, oak trees can live over 200 years. That means your oak project might just outlast your great-grandkids. This wood's got character too. Each plank's got unique grain patterns, like nature's fingerprint. And the smell? It's like a forest freshener for your workshop. But wait, there's more. Oak is super easy to stain and finish. You want rustic charm or modern chic? Oak's got you covered. And y'all know what they say about oak? It's the Swiss Army knife of wood. Strong, versatile, and oh so good looking. So next time you're at the lumberyard, remember, oak's not just wood, it's a legacy. Happy building, y'all.